Alright guys, it's time for a new video. Like I said earlier on the video before, it was actually a little weird. I changed the gasket on the plenum. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but yeah. Changed the gasket on that, kind of fixed a little bit, and the idle air control valve didn't have an OEM gasket. It had a silicone gasket, so I bought a new one, changed it out and everything. And other than that, I found the power steering lick. Of course, it has to be that hose right there. Went to get a new one, changing it as of now. Just got that bolt right there fitted on. So gotta get the one that goes to the rack. And yeah, see if we can get this puppy running soon. Got some oil right there. Got it all right there. Just need to fit the line back in there. Hopefully no more leak. And yeah, that's it for the twin turbo. As for the NA right there, nothing new on the engine. I gotta do my 120K soon. As soon as I get this one running, I'll be able to work on this one. This baby right here. Still want a baby for my daily driver as of now. The mod list, not nothing big, just like the usual. Pop charger. I actually need one for my twin turbo. I got a Taurus fan in it. I'm gonna do that on a twin turbo. Got the grounding kit. Yeah, and major work on it. The 5-speed conversion. Did that myself. Changed out the differential. Z1 Motorsport 1-piece drive shaft. And the reason for this video, the exhaust. Gritty exhaust right there. Give you guys a little preview of how it sounds. I like how it sounds. Yeah, that's my NA and my twin turbo. There, original 5-speed. Alright guys, catch you guys later.